Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to change the language of your Chrome browser on your Windows computer. In this guide, we'll show you the simple steps to customize the language settings to suit your preferences. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your Windows computer. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the three dots icon. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. On the left side of the Settings page, click on Languages. Step 4. Under the Preferred Languages section, locate the language you'd like to use and click on More next to it. Step 5. If the language you want isn't listed, click on Add Languages to add it. Step 6. Click on Display Google Chrome in this language. Step 7. Please note that this option is only available on Windows computers. Step 8. Restart Chrome to apply the language changes. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the language of your Chrome browser on your Windows computer and enjoy a personalized browsing experience.